Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of nature's colors. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our journeys into the wild and wonderful wonders of our planet. Colors are everywhere around us. In the skies above, the oceans below, the vibrant plants and animals, and even the very rocks beneath our feet. They aren't just pretty to look at. Every color tells a story about how nature works, from light scattering through the atmosphere to tiny pigments inside leaves and feathers. Think about it: the deep blue of the ocean, the fiery red of autumn leaves, the shimmering wings of a butterfly, or the golden glow of a sunrise. Each of these colors is created by fascinating natural processes that connect science and art in the most beautiful way. Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind these incredible colors. How does the sky turn blue and the sunset orange? Why do seas shine turquoise in shallow waters but deep blue in the open ocean? And how do animals like peacocks and butterflies create shimmering rainbow hues without a drop of paint? Before we dive in, drop a comment below telling us where you're watching from and what time it is there. We love to see how our global nature family is connected by curiosity and wonder. Alright, let's open our eyes to the breathtaking palette of the natural world as we explore the magic of the colors of nature. The sky, nature's grand canvas. The sky is nature's most dynamic and ever-changing canvas, stretching above us in an endless display of light and color. From dawn's gentle pastels to midday's brilliant blues, and the fiery hues of sunset, the sky is constantly shifting, shaped by the invisible forces of sunlight, air, and moisture. Sunlight might look white to us, but it's actually made up of many different colors, just like the ones you see in a rainbow. As sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, it encounters tiny particles of gas and dust. The shorter wavelengths of light, like blue and violet, scatter more easily in all directions, creating the vast blue dome we see overhead. This phenomenon is called Rayleigh scattering. As the sun begins to rise or set, the light has to travel through a much thicker layer of the atmosphere. By the time it reaches our eyes, most of the blue light has scattered away, leaving behind the longer wavelengths, red, orange, and pink. That's why sunrises and sunsets paint the sky with such dramatic, fiery colors, creating scenes so stunning they've inspired poets and painters for centuries. Clouds add yet another layer to this celestial masterpiece. Puffy white clouds scatter all wavelengths of light evenly, making them appear bright and soft, while storm clouds block light, turning dark and ominous. After heavy rains, when the sun suddenly breaks through, we often witness one of nature's most magical surprises, a rainbow. At night, the sky transforms again. With the sun gone, the atmosphere becomes a window to the universe. Stars, planets, and the moon shine against a backdrop of deep black. In polar regions, the night sky sometimes erupts into glowing waves of green, purple, and red. These are the auroras, caused by charged solar particles colliding with Earth's magnetic field, a cosmic dance of light and color. The sky isn't just a view above us, it's a living, breathing system that connects us all. Whether it's a peaceful blue afternoon, a stormy gray evening, or a night illuminated by shimmering auroras, the sky reminds us of our place on this beautiful planet. The sea, depths of blue and beyond. Beneath the vast sky lies another breathtaking realm of color, the ocean. Covering over 70% of our planet, the sea reflects and absorbs light in ways that create an astonishing range of hues, from bright turquoise shallows to deep, mysterious navy blues. Water itself has unique optical properties. When sunlight enters the ocean, the red, orange, and yellow wavelengths are quickly absorbed. Blue light, with its shorter wavelength, penetrates farther and reflects back to our eyes, giving the open ocean its characteristic deep blue color. This is why even the clearest, purest water appears blue when seen in large quantities. In tropical regions, the story changes slightly. Here, shallow waters with white sandy bottoms or coral reefs scatter sunlight, mixing with the natural blue to produce brilliant shades of turquoise and aquamarine. These stunning coastal colors are why places like the Maldives, Bora Bora, and the Caribbean look so magical from above. But not all ocean colors are serene. Algal blooms caused by microscopic plant life can turn the water green, brown, or even red in a phenomenon called red tide. These color changes aren't just beautiful or strange, they're vital signs of the ocean's health, alerting scientists to shifts in marine ecosystems. The ocean also acts like a giant mirror. On calm days, it reflects the sky, mirroring golden sunrises, fiery sunsets, or the silver glow of moonlight. During storms, it darkens and churns, echoing the drama of the weather above with towering gray waves. At night, some parts of the ocean reveal one of its most magical secrets: bioluminescence. Tiny organisms in the water produce their own light, making waves sparkle and glow an ethereal blue when disturbed. In certain bays, like Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico, entire stretches of water glow like liquid starlight, creating an unforgettable, otherworldly spectacle. The colors of the ocean are not just a feast for the eyes, they are vital to life. They signal the presence of plankton that feed whales, track the health of coral reefs, and reflect the delicate balance of our planet's climate. Protecting these waters ensures that their dazzling blues and greens will continue to inspire generations to come. Plants, the palette of life. On land, plants are the master painters of the natural world, covering the earth in lush greens and decorating it with flowers in every shade imaginable. Their colors are more than beautiful, they are the result of biological processes essential to life itself. The signature green of most plants comes from chlorophyll, a pigment that captures sunlight and turns it into energy through photosynthesis. This process powers not only the plants themselves but nearly every ecosystem on Earth, as animals, including us, depend on plants for food and oxygen. But chlorophyll is just the beginning. Plants contain other pigments, like carotenoids, which create yellows and oranges, and anthocyanins, responsible for reds, purples, and blues. During most of the year, chlorophyll dominates, hiding these other pigments. But in autumn, as days grow shorter and temperatures drop, chlorophyll fades away, revealing the hidden brilliance beneath. This is why forests burst into spectacular displays of red, gold, and orange every fall. Flowers showcase nature's most vivid colors, designed to attract pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are drawn to these visual signals, ensuring the plant's survival through pollination. Some flowers even have ultraviolet patterns invisible to humans but clear to insects, acting like glowing landing strips leading to nectar. Fruits use color as communication too. When ripe, they turn bright and appealing, encouraging animals and humans to eat them. The seeds are then spread far and wide, continuing the tension. Cycle of life. The deep red of strawberries, the golden glow of bananas, and the rich purple of plums are all part of this strategy. In extreme environments, plants have evolved extraordinary colors to survive. In deserts, cacti bloom with brilliant flowers after rare rains, transforming barren landscapes into sudden bursts of color. In rainforests, competition for sunlight has led to dazzling diversity, with countless species displaying unique shades to thrive in their complex ecosystem. From the tender green of a spring bud to the fiery blaze of autumn leaves, plants create a living, breathing masterpiece that evolves with the seasons, a constant reminder of nature's creativity and resilience. Animals, living rainbows of the wild. Among all the wonders of nature, few are as spectacular as the colors found in the animal kingdom. Animals use color in fascinating ways to hide, to communicate, to attract mates, and even to defend themselves. Some animal colors come from pigments. Melanin produces blacks and browns, while carotenoids create yellows, oranges, and reds. Flamingos, for instance, are born gray, but their diet of shrimp and algae rich in carotenoids slowly turns their feathers pink. Tigers' orange coats and black stripes are also pigment-driven. Other animals achieve color through microscopic structures that manipulate light. These structural colors produce shimmering effects that seem to change depending on the viewing angle. Peacock feathers, butterfly wings, and the iridescent scales of tropical fish all display this phenomenon, creating some of the most vibrant colors in nature without a drop of pigment. Color plays a critical role in survival. Many animals use axolotl camouflage to blend into their surroundings, hiding from predators or sneaking up on prey. Arctic foxes and hares turn pure white in winter to disappear into snowy landscapes, while rainforest insects mimic leaves or bark to stay hidden. Conversely, bright, bold colors often serve as warnings. Frogs, snakes, and insects with striking patterns signal to predators that they are poisonous or dangerous. This strategy, called aposematism, helps keep both predator and prey safe. During mating season, color often takes center stage. Male birds like peacocks display their most brilliant feathers to attract females, while some fish and reptiles develop vivid breeding colors to show off their health and strength. Some creatures go even further, creating their own light through bioluminescence. Fireflies flash signals to potential mates, while deep-sea jellyfish glow in the darkness to lure prey or confuse predators. These living light shows are some of the most magical displays in nature. The animal kingdom's colors are a celebration of evolution's creativity. Each pattern, shimmer and glow tells a story of survival, adaptation, and beauty. Rocks and minerals, Earth's hidden palette. Beneath the vibrant world of plants and animals lies a quieter, older source of color, the rocks, soil, and minerals that form the foundation of our planet. These colors tell the story of Earth's deep history, shaped by heat, pressure, and time. Soil, the thin layer that sustains life, varies widely in color. Dark, rich soil is full of organic matter, perfect for growing crops. Red soil often contains iron oxide, essentially rust, while pale, sandy soil reflects a high content of quartz or other light minerals. Rocks are even more varied. Granite can appear pink, gray, or black, depending on its mineral content. Basalt, formed from volcanic lava, is usually dark black, while limestone is often white or golden. Over millions of years, these rocks are weathered and broken down, feeding the soil that plants depend on. Hidden deep within the earth, under immense heat and pressure, form the treasures we call gemstones. Trace elements give each gem its unique color. Emeralds are green from chromium, rubies glow red, and sapphires shine blue thanks to titanium and iron. These dazzling stones have fascinated humans for centuries, becoming symbols of wealth, power, and beauty. Even beaches tell stories through their sands. White beaches come from crushed coral and shells. Black sand beaches are born from volcanic eruptions, and rare green or pink sands are created by unique mineral combinations. By studying the colors of rocks and minerals, geologists can uncover secrets about Earth's past, ancient oceans, shifting continents, and fiery, volcanic eruptions. Each layer is like a page in a book, documenting the planet's evolution. Rainbows, nature's magic show. Few natural sights are as universally enchanting as a rainbow. This magical arc of color appears when sunlight interacts with raindrops, turning ordinary raindrops into a breathtaking display. Each raindrop acts as a tiny prism. When sunlight enters, it bends, splits into its component colors, and reflects back out. Because millions of raindrops are involved, we see a brilliant arc stretching across the sky, always with the colors in the same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Rainbows only appear under perfect conditions. The sun must be behind you, rain falling in front of you, and the angle of light must be just right. Sometimes, a fainter second rainbow forms outside the first, caused by light bouncing twice inside the raindrops. Throughout history, rainbows have inspired myths and legends. Many cultures see them as bridges between worlds or symbols of hope and renewal. Scientifically, they are a reminder of how light and water interact to create beauty. Some animals, like bees, can see ultraviolet light, meaning their rainbows would contain even more colors than we can perceive. Imagine a world painted with hues beyond human vision. Rainbows are fleeting, lasting only minutes, but their impact is timeless. They show us that even storms can create moments of wonder, beauty, and connection. The colors of nature are more than just visual delights. They are stories written in light, water, minerals, and life itself. From the endless blue of the sky and sea to the vibrant greens of forests, the dazzling displays of animals, and the hidden treasures of rocks and rainbows, every color reveals a piece of Earth's incredible puzzle. These colors inspire us, guide ecosystems, and even signal changes in our environment. Yet, they are fragile. Pollution, climate change, and habitat loss threaten to dull the brilliance of our natural world. Protecting nature's palette means protecting the delicate balance that gives life its diversity and beauty. When we safeguard clean air, healthy oceans, and thriving forests, we ensure that future generations can experience the same awe we feel today. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey through our planet's wonders. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into the wild. Together, we can celebrate and protect the vibrant world we call home. A world painted by nature's own hand.